Jai Hind everyone. This is Pragati Pandey, your maths teacher, and I'm here with a new part of this chapter in this video. So basically in the previous video we have gone through the exercise 3.3 and also we have gone through how to find the factor of any number. Okay, and also we have gone through the test of divisibility of several numbers. In the exercise 3.3 we have solved several questions based on test of divisibility and factors, and now we will start our new exercise based on HCF and LCM. Before starting the exercise we will learn how to find the HCF and LCM of any number. So before moving to exercise, let's read that. Okay, basically the full form of HCF is highest common factor and the full form of LCM is least common multiple. So we will discuss the HCF and LCM broadly. Okay, so let's start. So HCF, that is highest common factor. The highest common factor of two or more given number is the highest or the greatest of their common factor. Basically in the highest common factor there is the common factor between two numbers or two or more numbers. There is a common factor, that is highest common factor, which is common in all the three numbers. Okay, so we will discuss it with example. Suppose here in example, that is number 72 and 36, and we have to find the HCF of this number. So HCF of this number can be obtained by two methods. There are two methods. One is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, and second one is division method. Second one is division method. So the two methods are there for finding the HCF of numbers, that is prime factorization method and division method. We will discuss each and every method in detail. Okay, here is the division method. We will take the example same, that is 72 and 36. How to find the HCF of any number with the help of division method we will learn. We will do what? The greatest number in the series is written inside and we will divide the smallest number. We will divide the greatest number with the smallest number. We can see here it is 72, sorry, it is 72, 36, 2 ja 72. You can see that this whole has been cut off. So this value will be the HCF. Okay, this value will be the HCF. This is the division method. Okay, here is another example to find the HCF, that is 12, 36 and 72. What we will do, we will take the smallest number and the greatest number, okay, and divide them. 12 when divide 72 in 6 time, it will divide the whole 72. You can see that we have got 12. Now this 12 will divide 36 also. In 3 times it will cut the value, and we have got 12 in both the condition. So 12 will be HCF of number. This will be our answer. Okay, so this is the method of division. This is the division method, and now we will learn the prime factorization method of numbers. Okay, the same example we have taken here, that is 72 and 36. In prime factorization method, what we will do, we will write 72 and find the factor of 72. 2 times it will go 36, then after 2 times it will go 18, and 2 times it will go 9, then 3, that will be 3, and after 3 it will be 1. Like this 72, then after we will do the factorization of 36 also. This is here and this is here. Now we will find factor of 36, that will be 18, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1. What we will do, we will write the factors of these numbers. 72, we will write all these numbers, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, then multiply 3, then multiply 3. Now we will write the factors of 36 also, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Here we have written, and now we will take common factor, because HCF is highest common factor. Now we will take the common factors. This 2 is common, that is 2. This 2 is common, that is 2. And here this 3 is common, multiply 3. And here this 3 is also common, multiply 3. So we will multiply that. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Here our answer is 36. Let's compare it with the method of division. You can see here that 72 and 36, by this division method we have divided 72 by 36 and got the HCF was 36. And in the condition of prime factorization method, we can see here the common factors are this, and our answer is 36. Let's see the second example, that is 12, 36 and 72 by prime factorization method. We have already find the factor of 72, then after 36, now here we have find the factor of 12 also, and here the factors of all the numbers are written, 72, 36 and 12, and we will find the common factors. You can see that 2 is common here. Okay, so this 2 will be common factors are 2. Then after you can see here that this 2 is also there, multiply 2. And you can see here it is 1 3, it is also 1, and here it is also 1. We can write 3, that is 2 multiply 2, 4 3s are 12. Our answer is 12. So in the prime factorization method, when we take this example 12, 36, 72, we have got the common factors, that is 12, and this is the HCF of the number. Whereas in this condition you can see that 12 is also the HCF by division method. So here we have proved that the HCF can be found by two methods, that is prime factorization method and division method. Okay, now right now we have gone through the prime factorization method and division method, and we used to find the HCF of the number, that is highest common factor. We write the common factors there, and further we conclude that the HCF of the number is that common factors which are common in all the conditions. But in LCM we will include all the numbers which are factors. Let's see with an example. You can see here 12, 36, 72, the same example we have taken. In this condition, what we will do, we will do the factor of all the numbers simultaneously. Okay, with 2 it will go 6 times, it will go 18 times, and it will go 36 times. Okay, now this is the method of LCM. You can do separately, then after you will write the factors along with, but this will be the best form to write the LCM. Basically in LCM what we will do, we will write all the factors. Okay, we will write all the factors. Here in the condition of HCF, what we are doing, that we are taking the common factors only. We are taking the only common factors. But in LCM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the factors will be included. All the factors. Here you can see that we have left this 2 and this 3 also. This will be also included in LCM. Let's do. Then after 2 it will give 3, it will give 9, and this will give 18. After that one more 2, it will give 9, and this will be 3. Now with the help of 3, it will be 1, it will be 3, and it will also be 3. You can see that. Now with the help of 3, it will be 1, 1, then after 1. Okay, so the LCM of the number is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. That means all these numbers should be written and then multiplied. This will be the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So our answer will be 72. So this is the method of LCM, how to find the LCM of the number, and we have gone through the HCF of the number, how to find the HCF of the number with the help of prime factorization method and division method. Okay. Now we will move to our exercise 3.4. Here it is saying that find the LCM of the following number using the prime factorization method. Here you can see that you have to find the factors of each number, then after you will write. Okay, let's see one question from this. Okay, we will see this fifth question. Okay, 144. Here you can see that the factor of 144 is here, and 630 is here, and 252 is here. We will see the common factors in that. We will see that 2 is common here. Let's see, first we will write the factors, then after we will see that. We can see here these are the factors of 144, 630 and 252. We can see that 2 is common here. Then after here it is 2, 2, 2. Here it is 3. So it is not common. Then after 2 we will eradicate that. In this 3 is common. Here it is also 3. And here it is also 3. So 2 multiply 3 multiply, then after it is also 3, it is also 3, and it is also 3. One more 3 is common. These things are common. 7 is here but not here. So 3 multiply 2, that will be 3 3s are 9, 2 are 18. This will be our answer. So the HCF of part 5th of question number 1 is 18. Okay. So your assignment work is question number 1, find the HCF of the following number using prime factorization method. Then after you will do question number 2, find the HCF of the following using division method. Okay. 2 questions are your assignment work. We will discuss the third question in the next video. Okay. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you class. These 2 questions are your assignment work. Take the screenshot and solve the question. Otherwise, I will send the PDF also. Okay, so this is your assignment work. Thank you students.